Jim St. Pierre. There we got Rick Davenport. Hey, Rick. Old Burb, two-door. Yeah. Look at the 5.5, followed by a C10. Yeah, Flame Chevy. C-Truck. Yeah. We got another 5.5 Nomad, followed by a 5.7, looks like a post. Yeah. Followed by another 5.5 Nomad, yep, post. Yeah, 5.5 Nomad, yeah. Heavy Jim's. Shoebox Ford, hey. Look at that, 32. Pick 'em up truck. You got a Camaro. Look at that, yeah. Followed up by a 5.7 with a post. Bel Air. Like this looks to be about a 37 Ford. Let's check it out. Yeah, 37. Followed by another 5.7. TMI. Oh, what's this coming? Another coupe. Should be about 29 or 30. Followed up by another. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Look at this, Plymouth. Out of 50. Yeah. Good day here at the Outriders, 37th annual Outriders picnic out here in Irvine, Oak Canyon. It's probably the largest turnout I've seen in the last few years. Look at that, yeah. That Nova, yeah. You can see why 32s, 33s, 34s, 29s. Why there's so much love. They just look cool coming down the road, don't they? Nice stance to them. Yeah, the 40. Yeah, another 37. Looks like another 32 with a 40 behind it. And there's Rita and Dan Taglione. Yay! Gary, R29, yeah! Yay! Some HB Car Club. Look at that CUDA. Yeah. Hey. Look at that, huh? Look at that slope on that. Yeah. 40. Yeah. Look at that. Hey, Tommy Simpson. Hey, Tommy! In the 62. There you go. Yeah. This old timer. Yeah. Look at this. Buick. Yeah. Yeah. Some bad hot rods, huh? Some of the finest cars you're ever going to see in Southern California or anywhere in the world. Right here, local. Yeah! Little Deuce Coupe. That's what that license plate says. Looks like it's got a Jag rear end. Oh, what's this? A Prius hot rod. 40. Yeah. Another 32. Followed up by a Suburban. Yeah, bait and switch. That's what that license plate says. One cab for you, yeah. Look Here comes a 59 Cadillac. Looks like Elvis 3, but it's not. Look at that. Yeah, Dodge Ram. 40, a little chopped. Looks like another 37 Ford Ivory. Yeah, two-door sedan. Yeah, it's 56 Ford Vicky. Yeah, 54. I got 51 Merc. Another 51 Merc. Oh, this is one cool truck, a Helms 5 truck. It's a Ford. Yeah. It's like you got a 64 or 65 Malibu with a drop top. Yeah. Followed up by a 65 GTO drop top with a top up. Yeah, 40 Ford. If you like what you see, drop me a tip. Let me cover my gas. Look at that. Let's pick a truck. A 36. Look at the lineup now. Yeah. Fat fendered. Look at that. Drop top. Oh, that's beautiful. Another fat fender Ford. Yeah. That was a nice run of cars. Topped off by a 55 Chevy Bel Air Nomad. Here with a 51 Chevy. Yeah. Out of state license plate. Look at the slope down on this. Isn't that nice stance? Yeah. That's our buddy. Yeah. He doesn't take it out much. He won't ever usually rather see that donuts. He saves it for these good events. And that is dialed in. I think he was just doing some work on it. And we got it all dialed up. We got a nice 55 Chevy with a post. We got 210 followed by, looks like a 33 or 34 Roadster. Yeah. Nice tone to it, huh? Oh, here we go. You got a Woody. The fat fender Ford Woody. Look at that, pretty and blue. Yeah. How awesome is that? Powder blue. Baby blue. Oh, here we go. A coupe, a Roadster, a 57 Ranch. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty, yeah. Bel Air Nomad. Oh, what's this hot rod? One of them sleek Japanese, European one. I think it's a Mercedes-Benz. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? My friends all drive Porsches. I must make amends. I work hard for a living. No help from my friends. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? Look at this, huh? About 29. Yeah, drop top, looking all nice. We got a late model Jeep. Oh yeah, look at that. Look cool. All right, that's a pretty 40. Got wide whites on it. Look at this. Got a nice tone to it too. Look at the stance on that. How cool is that? Is that Gene? Hey, it is. It's Gene. Hey, Gene. Man, it'll look good coming down the road. See you next Saturday. Gene Hopkins. 33, 34. Look what's behind it. We want more. Yeah. Oh yeah. How about that? How about that? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Do scoot. Airplane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this, a right-hand driver in pink. Yeah. Aussie rod. That's what the California license plate says. Hot rod built in Australia. Truck right there. Followed up with a nice Chevy truck. Yeah. Followed up with a brand new Chevy truck. Yeah, good. Oh yeah, look at that. Ray, Jeff. Wow, yeah. 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 How fun. Yeah, the 40. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, a Honda car. Hey, Mark! There it is, Mark Weiss. Thank you, Mark, for getting me in Outriders.